Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to build a website. First, let's understand what WordPress is. It's a powerful content management system, or CMS, that powers over 43% of all websites online. This incredible versatility allows you to create almost any type of site, from a simple blog to a complex online store. You have two main options: a hosted solution through WordPress.com or a self-hosted installation using WordPress.org. Next, let's get your WordPress site set up. You'll need a reliable web hosting provider. Many offer convenient one-click WordPress installations. After selecting your host, choose a unique domain name that truly represents your brand or project. Once you have both, simply navigate to your hosting control panel, often cPanel, and follow the straightforward steps to install WordPress. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Now for the fun part: customizing your website's look and feel. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes to choose from, allowing you to define your site's entire appearance. Once you've picked a theme, use the intuitive WordPress customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your vision. To add extra features, explore the vast plugin directory. Plugins can enhance your site with anything from contact forms to robust SEO tools, offering nearly limitless possibilities. Finally, let's talk about creating your content and launching your site. You'll use pages for static information, like an About Us or Contact page, and posts for dynamic blog articles. The block editor makes adding text, images, and videos incredibly simple and intuitive. Before you go live, take some time to thoroughly review every aspect of your site. Check for broken links, typos, and ensure everything looks perfect across different devices. Then, you're ready to share your creation with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.